Have you ever realized you're in a dream while you're still dreaming? This is known as lucid dreaming, a phenomenon that blurs the line between the dream world and reality. It's like being the director of your own nighttime movie, where you can control the plot, the characters, and even the environment. Imagine soaring through the skies, shaking hands with a dinosaur, or composing a symphony, all while tucked safely in your bed. Even more, you can harness this unique state of consciousness to confront your fears, solve problems, or explore your creativity in ways you never thought possible. It's more than just a dream. It's a playground for your mind where the only limit is your imagination. Lucid dreaming can be a fascinating and exhilarating experience, allowing individuals to explore their creativity, confront fears, or simply enjoy a heightened sense of awareness within the dream state. Now, you might be wondering, how can I experience this phenomena? Well, there are some techniques that may help you achieve lucid dreaming. First off, consider keeping a dream journal. Place it right next to your bed, and as soon as you wake up, jot down any details you can remember from your dreams. This nifty practice helps improve dream recall and might just increase your chances of becoming lucid. Next up, reality checks. These are little tests you can perform throughout the day to determine whether you're dreaming or awake. Try pushing your finger through your palm. Look at a clock or text, or try to breathe while holding your nose shut. If you can make this a habit, it might carry over into your dreams, helping you realize when you're in dreamland. The Wake Back to Bed technique, or WBTB as it's known, is another handy tool. Set an alarm to wake yourself up after about 5 to 6 hours of sleep. Stay awake for 20 to 30 minutes, perhaps engage in a quiet activity like reading about lucid dreaming or meditating. Then return to bed with the firm intention of having a lucid dream. The mnemonic induction of lucid dreams or mild technique is also worth trying. Before nodding off to sleep, repeat a mantra or affirmation like, "I will realize I'm dreaming," or "I will have a lucid dream tonight." Visualize yourself becoming lucid in a dream while focusing on your intention. Then there's the wake-initiated lucid dreams or wild technique. This involves maintaining awareness as you transition from wakefulness to sleep. Lie down in a comfortable position and focus on staying conscious as your body relaxes. You may experience various sensations such as vibrations, auditory hallucinations, or visual imagery. With practice, you might be able to enter directly into a lucid dream from this state. Lastly, you might want to explore using lucid dreaming aids. These are technological tools like lucid dreaming masks or apps that play auditory cues during REM sleep to help induce lucidity. While these aids can be helpful for some, they are not necessary for achieving lucid dreams. Remember that achieving lucid dreaming may take time and practice. It's like learning to play a musical instrument or mastering a new language. No one becomes an expert overnight. Patience and persistence are your best friends on this journey. You may not get it right the first time, or the second, or even the 10th, but that's okay. Each attempt brings you one step closer to that breathtaking moment of lucidity. Now let's not forget the importance of maintaining a healthy sleep schedule. A well-rested mind is more likely to achieve lucidity. Incorporating relaxation techniques into your daily routine can also be beneficial. Think meditation, yoga, or even a simple walk in the park. And while we're on the topic, let's not underestimate the power of reducing stress. A calm mind paves the way for a clearer dream state. So dream on, and who knows, tonight might be the night you take control of your dream world.